Let's just get this out of the way. Cows belch. And that's what this story is about. Cows belching. Go ahead, take a second to giggle. Good. Now that you've gotten that out of your system, you should know what cows are getting out of their systems when they belch is a problem. A problem that Dr. Ermeus Kabrab says needs to be solved.
Methane is one of the greenhouse gas emissions, one of the greenhouse gases. It is 26 to 86 times more potent than carbon dioxide.
Kabrab has a vision. Herds of dairy cows and pastures and barns across the American countryside contentedly grazing on seaweed.
It's a red seaweed.
And it has a particular enzyme that curbs methane production in a cow's gut when they eat it. So this is the stuff, you see it right there, freeze-dried seaweed. It's actually red seaweed from Australia. It smells a little like sushi. It's salty, so to sweeten it up, they add some molasses. Then it all gets mixed together with the cow's regular alfalfa and down the hatch. But if you're wondering, how do they know? How do they know what these Holsteins are burping?
Yeah, they love it.
How do they know if the seaweed method is making for less methane?
The machine's able to analyze for hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and methane.
PhD candidate Brianna Roque showed us this sniffer that sorts out exactly which gases the cows are belching. Hey, it's not a job I'd want, but better this end than the other, I suppose.
Actually, there's a misconception there because most people think that it's animals produce methane or release methane from the back end, but actually it's from the front end.
And so far, it's working. These cows getting the most seaweed are belching out the least methane, which is a big deal in California, where more than half of all methane emissions come from dairy cows. There's one more test that these seaweed-eating cows still have to pass, and that's right here, the milk. Is it as tasty, and do they produce as much? The scientists will be looking into that question and conducting taste tests throughout the summer. Reporting from Davis, Ben Deasy, Fox 40 News.